So I got myself a nice little smoothie. So they opened on the 1st of September. It's the 4th now, so it's only been open for 4 days. And I hope they will be successful. I mean, it's an amazing place. A good afternoon. I'm here in the Bang Rak area and I was just riding along and then I noticed this place and it's called the Hong Sieng Kong and it just opened on the 1st of September. So let me show you a little bit inside. Yeah, so on the menu there's all kinds of cheesecakes, eclair. Oh, Mirella's gonna love this place. Hong Sieng Kong. Do you have smoothie?
Smoothie? Yes,
Yeah?
we have chocolate cake and
Okay.
mixed berry.
Okay, so one mixed berry smoothie. Yeah, so the house is about 200 years old and they just renovated everything and made it in this amazing kind of garden area. These old Chinese antiques here, and then on the river you have a very nice place where you can have a drink. And if you're visiting the Bang Rak area, which I filmed a couple of times before, you can come here and just relax. So if you remember the video that I made about the awakenings, which was here about half a year ago, this would have fitted in there perfectly, but unfortunately it wasn't open then. But here in the Bang Rak area, it's just amazing how everything is developing. And this is really becoming a very nice area. It's right on the river here. Here you have the name. Yeah, the river is very quiet at the moment. So imagine normally this would be bustling, packed with little boats. You know, I know that Mirella never heard about this place, and I can't wait to show her. You know, I'm always excited when I discover something new. Until last week, it was not allowed to have dine-in. So this is probably the first time. It's a Saturday now. It's probably the first time that there is people here. So you're getting a super premiere. Yeah, I'm sure this is going to be on everybody's itinerary when they come to this area. Here's an indoor area as well. Today it's very nice, the weather, but I know that it can get really hot. There across the river you have the banyan tree residences. So I got myself a nice little smoothie. So they opened on the 1st of September. It's the 4th now, so it's only been open for 4 days. And I hope they will be successful. I mean, it's an amazing place, really great atmosphere. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. I will keep you up to date about Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.